Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. What is happening is that now I'm getting a lot of questions on my channel Musings by Amit, and I feel that I need to set up some time to go live so that people can directly ask me questions in the chat and I can answer them when they have the question in their mind. So I have built a community where this channel has touched around close to 350,000 people, because 350,000 people have watched at least one of my videos, and there are 6,500 plus subscribers on the channel now. Okay, if any of you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe, because I will come with this live every time. That I lost a job, after that I got job in a startup. I'm feeling like a lot of work and some code errors, how to overcome it. See, code errors is very easy to overcome. The easiest way to overcome is that you review your code after you write it. Okay, where I have worked with more than 100 software engineers where I was a director of engineering, and the simple is review the code. I remember that when I joined one team, there was only a 3 people team, and the client was very, there was a lot of errors which are coming from the team. So what I did was that the engineers were doing a really good job, but what I did is I set up a separate server to review the code, and the engineers started reviewing each other's code. So you can also ask your friend to review your code, and you will start making lesser and lesser mistake. Every time you find out this is the real mistake I make, next time you remember not to make that mistake. It's a practice thing. It has nothing to do with how much programming you know. It has nothing to do with all these things. And start reading books on programming. Start looking at the code snippets of how people construct the code. Okay, and start writing the algorithms first and code later, so that you are not making a mistake. Try to keep your functions small. That will help you very much. Okay, so I hope that that will help you. And believe me, I'm sure that you will be successful in whatever you are doing. Don't worry. The world is saying that software engineers are not required. I have an opposite view. More software engineers are required as we go forward. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay focused, stay rich, and see you in the next live.